In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Binance. Navigating the world of digital currencies can sometimes be a bit daunting, but worry not. I'm here to guide you through this process with ease and clarity. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Binance account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to do so by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Remember to choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. Once logged in, ensure that your account is fully verified. This is a necessary step, as it not only enhances security but also allows you to take full advantage of all the features Binance has to offer. Verification usually requires you to submit some identification documents, so make sure you have them handy. With your Binance account ready to go, it's time to move over to PayPal. Start by logging into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, you'll need to set it up by linking your bank account or credit card. This is a straightforward process that PayPal guides you through step by step. Once inside your PayPal account, it's crucial to make sure your account is active and has sufficient funds. Also, check that there are no restrictions or limitations, as these could impede the process of linking to Binance. Now, direct your attention back to Binance. Navigate to your Binance dashboard, where you'll find the option to access wallet or funds. Within this section, look for the deposit option, where you'll also see different types of payment methods available. At this point, it's important to understand that while you can't directly deposit funds from PayPal into Binance, a third-party application or service will facilitate this. One recommended approach is using a trusted peer-to-peer P2P exchange option that allows transactions between PayPal and Binance. This method involves finding a reliable dealer on the P2P platform who accepts PayPal. Always check seller ratings and reviews for credibility before proceeding. Once you've found a suitable dealer, specify the amount you wish to transact. The payment process will prompt you to complete the transaction via PayPal. Follow the instructions, ensuring you double-check all transaction details before confirming the payment. Once your PayPal transaction is successful, the seller will then authorize the transfer of the equivalent cryptocurrency amount to your Binance account. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to be reflected, depending on network traffic and confirmation times. This process can be a bit time-consuming, so patience is key. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked PayPal to your Binance account. This setup ensures you can more seamlessly engage in the digital currency market, opening up a world of trading opportunities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy trading!